Hi, teammates. Let's dive into some mysteries. Right here, we've got an article, Cruise Lines Monitoring Ukraine-Russia Standoff for Black Sea and Baltic Cruises. You can see my ciphers there. This is the gematria phrase. Security of our guests and crew members is always foremost in our minds, said Cynthia Martinez, spokeswoman for Royal Caribbean Cruises Limited. So you can take a look at all this. Manipulation of ciphers right there. I went to 1158 AD, and I ended up with Raymond of Fitero, who I believe is Fritz Springmeier. Fritz Springmeier is the reincarnated version of Raymond of Fitero. Then Jack Chick is Ali bin Ahmad al-Jarjari. Let's take a look at all this. See what you think.
You're the kind of guy that kept the exact same bat next to in the dugout in case of a broken bat.
Okay, teammates. So what I see, the massive cruise ship, the cruise ships of the southeast of Underworld, Waterworld, have 3 temple pirate ships. The first bow seat is with Mel Gibson and the animal plant reconciled spirit. That's the green ship. The Evans goat seat with Heath Ledger and John Candy is the black and gold ship. The detailed arc seat with Jack Chick seat. That is Jack Chick's seat with Fritz Springmeier and Isaiah 51 figure as the cherubs or the 2 standing by him. The ship is blue. Okay? So that's what I see. And then keep faith. Anthony Mackie takes over for Captain America. In the film Avengers Endgame, it was a big coup at the end. A big coup d'etat. What happened was the Valkyrie took over for Thor, who represents I believe the Valkyrie represents the Son of God, and she takes over for whoever her husband is, which is called the wife in Revelation 19. And the wife has made herself ready. And then Anthony Mackie takes over for Captain America. Now, it was a big coup d'etat the way they did it, but it was a way to incorporate all these characters and show that we're nearing the end times, because Anthony Mackie represents the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. And the Valkyrie represents Jesus. So take all this to the Lord, and that's Jesus as Gondel, okay? So if you believe that. But it was a way to incorporate all of them. So take a look at this here. Keep faith. Gitalis is E, Mac is Kleck. That's a Predator reference. Key is Zerubbabel, which represents Avi Arad. He's got zero babble going on. He doesn't lay down and he doesn't kill people for fame and money. He goes to the dungeon. So keep faith. And then Anthony is somebody's middle name who's showing up on the scene right now. And then Ali bin Ahmad al-Jarjari is Jack Chick. Raymond of Fitero is Fritz Springmeier. So that's who they were. And I might have some more revelations on all that, but The Isaiah 51 figure stands with Fritz Springmeier and Jack Chick. So keep faith, teammates, and thank you. Have a good night, and let me know if you see anything.